Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here's another holiday look with a spin. As I said, I love special effects makeup. This is not really special effects, but it's in the whimsical theatrical makeup that I like to dab into. I got it from this guy. His name is Milk 1422 on Instagram, and he makes the best face charts. I've had this face chart in my phone for a while, and I don't know, but when I saw it, I thought of a reindeer. And I know a lot of people do the typical reindeer, you know, but I said, ooh, this will be a fun spin on Christmas and the reindeer. And you know, I loved it. It was cute. So I made these antlers, by the way, and I'm going to link the videos that helped me make them in my description box. I really love this look, guys, so if you're interested in getting this look or just seeing how I created it, keep on watching. Once again, I'm starting with my brows done, BB cream on my face, and this eye almost done, and this eye primed. So I'm going to start with my Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and go into this purple shade here and add it to the crease and above the crease. Then I want to take the pink shade and just blend out the purple. So guys, I really hated how shiny this side looked, so I'm gonna start over, and just wanted to show you guys that everybody makes mistakes and it's okay, you know, you can always start over. And I'm gonna go in with my concealer and just cut my crease. Okay, and I'm taking this flat brush here that I got from the dollar store once again, and I'm gonna go in between this Nika K palette and go between this light lime green, this green here, and then my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and go in with this green and just blend it till I get the color I want. I'm taking this yellow shade here with the pencil brush. You can use any shadow, and I'm just going to add it right here to my inner corner, just a little bit. Okay, I'm going into my Zulu palette once again, and I'm going to grab this orange shade right here and make this the next color on my lid. I'm going back into my Nika K palette, and I'm taking the first orange shade and I'm adding that to my crease. And the last color I'm using for my lid is the red shade. So I'm taking this Absolute New York Shape and Define liquid liner. You can use any liquid liner, or you can use a gel liner or paint, black paint, whatever you choose, whatever you're actually comfortable with. And we're just going to make a cat eye. So I'm just starting right here. But we're just bringing this halfway, like where the green is, not even touching where the orange is. So just bringing it up just a little bit, and I'm going to go back in with the liquid liner and just make it darker. Now I'm taking my e.l.f. liquid liner. Once the black is to my liking, I'm going to grab this Liquid Genius blue liner. I got this from the beauty supply store. You can grab any blue liquid liner, and I'm pretty much just going to attach it to where the blue is and wing it out going like that. So I'm taking the first liquid liner I used before, and I'm going to make another line going here and curving up over the crease. Now I'm going in with the liquid liner. So this side's done for now. We will come back to it. I'm going to go off camera, add my lashes, finish my face, do the other eye, and I'll be right back. Now we're going to finish the eyes with my Forever 21 palette, and I'm going to use this blue shade here underneath my lash line. And I'm not taking the color too far over because we're going to add a darker blue on the end. I'm going to take this blue LA Girl eyeliner. Then I'm going to take my NARS 2 palette shadow and take this blue and add it at the ends where I added that blue liner. I'm going to contour my nose just a bit more with my Kiss Contour Kit and just try to make my nose look a little bit more round. I'm going to add some more concealer just down the bridge of my nose. Okay, so I did add some concealer here in the middle, and now that the nose looks more round, I'm going to go in my Forever 21 palette and grab this pink shade here and put it in my nose. Now I'm going to add a darker pink, which is lower, and add that on the outer corners of it. Now I'm going to add the lighter pink shade here, the one I used the first time, right here in my inner corner. Then I'm going to use my LA Colors shimmering eyeshadow and put highlights at my nose and on my inner corners. I'm going to go back into my e.l.f. eyeliner and add a wing on both sides. So I was going back and forth with myself if I wanted to add those lines coming up, but I don't think I want to be honest. I don't think I want to add those lines there. I'm just going to go ahead and add the dots. I'm going to use my Midnight Glow neon paint, and I'm going to use a Q-tip and a little paintbrush to get that accomplished. I am using a pointed Q-tip, by the way. Okay, now that I did that, my nose doesn't seem to pop out as much as I want it to, so I'm going to grab my Ruby Kisses 3D Face Creator in this brown shade and just go around it to define it a little more. Okay, so that pink wasn't doing it either, so I'm going to grab the paint I use and just add this on my nose. Okay, so what I did was I went in with the neon color, back with the pink shadows, and then I added some concealer here and added the color Geyser from the Masquerade Mini palette just for highlight, and I also highlighted here. Then I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, and I just added it to my lips just so it can have one flat color. I'm going to take another flat brush, go on my Zoodle palette, and go into this yellow shade and just pat it on my lips. I know, it may look a little crazy, but maybe not, because this whole look, it looks good with the look. But I'm taking this light brown Nika K lip pencil. So I'm taking my NYX Gold Glitter and this Dollar Store Green Glitter. I'm going to mix it together, put some Vaseline on my lips, and then apply the glitter. Hey.
I like Mommy's makeup.
You do?
Yeah.
You like Mommy Reindeer?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Give me a kiss. I love you. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys like it. I really enjoyed this look. I know I say that about a lot of the looks, but this one in particular, I was very worried it wasn't going to come out right, and I'm really surprised. I mean, you know, sometimes we're not perfect and sometimes things don't work, but this actually came out really, really nice. If you guys enjoyed this look, please like, subscribe, comment, and make sure you hit the bell so you will not miss any of my uploads. I promise you don't want to miss it. Love you guys.